All right, everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. And to all the first-time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. And to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video, that you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos, and it helps out the YouTube channel. So I appreciate that very much. So here we are with ticker symbol HOFV, Hall of Fame Resort and Entertainment Company. So before we jump into the chart and we touch bases on everything I want to discuss here, I do want you guys to be aware that I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys towards the end of the video, and it's said to be the stock of the decade. You can actually look up the ticker symbol and post stock of the decade on Google and you'll see the article. I mean, it's a big deal. I sound like a broken record talking about this stock, but this is definitely one that I want every single investor and viewer to be aware of, and especially as it's pulling downwards. So here we are. HOFV stock has actually ran up, right, after touching lows here of 422, hit a high here of 598, and it pulled back down and it's sitting at 509. The good thing is right now it's consolidating. Okay, there's some strength. It's consolidating from down here, and it hasn't touched the lows down here of 422 again, or even down here of 387. As long as it stays above that area, $384, you know, there is some strength here, but we need to watch it carefully, because just as much strength as it's looking here, all it could do is the bulls are trying to hold it up, and then the bears find an exhaustion point and pull this down to newer lows. So we want to keep that in mind as well. The risk is always there. This is a very speculative stock, especially with everything going on when it comes to these NFTs and these NFT plays. But I mean, they have a big deal and a chance to partner with the NFL. You know, that speculation is going on and so forth. And this is literally like the NFL Disneyland when you think about it. It's almost like a museum or like a place where you can go and see everything about the NFL and sports and stuff. So if they go ahead and do NFTs and partner up with the NFL, which the NFL is interested in blockchain technology, you know, HOFV has a shot here. So here's our support. Our support's 492. If that gets broken through, this could be on its way down to newer lows and new support levels. Now, if that gets broken through, you want to watch it carefully because we're already in bearish territory. But when you think about it, we are in tug of war zone here. Okay, this is tug of war zone. This area here is tug of war zone unless this breaks out away from the 50-day moving average. That's why the 50-day moving average is so important. So we are in tug of war zone. The bears are slightly in control, but the bulls will start gaining control if they break through 519. They're not that far from it, just 10 cents away, but every little bit downwards counts. So we want to watch this carefully if 492 gets broken through. If it does, your next support level is down here at 421, 422. So I do want you guys to be aware that that's a broad stretch there, and you have to see the behavior if the bulls are trying to reappear and bring it back up, or are the bears tearing this one down fairly fast. Now, what is our resistance? Well, based off this sideways movement, it's 547. That needs to be broken through for the bulls to start to pull away from the 50-day moving average and reach up newer highs and new resistance levels. So I do want every single investor and viewer to be aware of that. 547 needs to be broken through and turn into a support so they can pull upwards and reach newer highs. As always, guys, if you found this video helpful and informative, please do so and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on all notifications and not miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community. And don't forget to hit the like button to let me know you watch this video, and it helps out the YouTube channel. Stay tuned to the end because I sound like a broken record about this one, but I really want every single investor and viewer to be aware of it. As always, stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching. So the ticker symbol that you guys should add to your watch list is definitely one that I'm about to sound like a broken record. I did a full video on it. I'm going to have it pop up soon somewhere up here on this side of the screen. And you guys should definitely go check it out if you have time or if you want to stick through for this. Now, the other video is a full due diligence, almost 16 minutes of me talking about GHVI, my bullish case on it, and how I feel about it. But here I'm going to summarize everything that I've said so far and when I started to watch it and tell all the members over at the Patreon about it. So if you like this video and you find it helpful and informative, please do so and smash that like button to let me know you appreciate the time and effort that I put into these videos, and it helps out the YouTube channel. So the ticker symbol is GHVI. We're going to look at this chart in just a moment, but let me give you guys just a little brief summary, which is what I told the Patreon members. So I said this back on March 1st, And GHVI is a SPAC, but not just any, okay? This is probably one of those that are going to be the outperforming SPACs, and not a lot of them do this. So GHVI stands out, right? GHVI is a stock with upside growth. The merger has been announced with Matterport in an untouched market. So what is Matterport? It is scanning apps for buildings, right? And turning the physical space into digital space. The company does this with professional cameras that create a 3D layout with the 360-degree scans. That's like really impressive, okay? Top-notch technology, and I mean just innovation in general. And it's coming to become the norm, right? The future, and then it's going to be a norm. And as this SPAC grows, you know, there's going to be more hype and anticipation behind it. So the chart was pretty tough to read on March 1st. Obviously, today is the 26th, so I'm going to share with you guys more information. But I did tell everyone since that date that the chart is pretty tough to read, not enough data. Now, if the market continues to pull back, this one still has room to continue a downward trend, but it is a must-watch stock moving forward. We have seen its high and how much it has pulled back recently. This company is a game changer in the real estate business, okay? And let me show you guys the graph. So at that time, all the indicators were really hard to read. There wasn't even indicators. Nothing was really popping up. This still doesn't even have a 50-day moving average, right? Doesn't even have that. But it ran up really fast once the announcement was made, and then it pulled back really hard. So this was around March 5th. I caught it on March 1st. It was sitting around here. I said there was room. It did fall. It hit $11, bounced back up to 17, and it's falling again. As this is falling, these are the opportunities. And today it hit a low of $13 and some change. This is definitely one that if you have not added to your watch list, you should add it to your watch list. I'm going to post up here the video that I go ahead and do my full due diligence if you guys want to check it out. And if not, go check out the website, matterport.com. It's going to tell you everything about this company. So this one right here is said to be the stock of the decade. This is the stock you want on your watch list. This is a stock you want to at some point own because you want to take out that shot with the opportunity that's presenting itself in an untapped market. And it's the leading industry leader, like literally. GHVI is going to merge with the leader of the industry, Matterport. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.